Realme GT Neo 6 SE features an OLED display with a peak brightness of 6000 nits and is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip, all for a price of $234. The device is equipped with a new BOE display panel boasting a 6.78-inch diagonal, 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and a peak brightness of 6000 nits. Realme GT Neo 6 SE runs on the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor paired with LPDDR5x RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. It also comes with a 5500 mAh battery, 100W fast charging, IP65 protection, NFC, stereo speakers, and an IR sensor for controlling appliances. The smartphone features a dual rear camera setup with a 50MP Sony IMX882 with OIS, plus 8MP Sony IMX355 configuration, along with a 32MP front camera. It has a plastic frame, 8.65mm thickness, and weighs 191 grams. Out of the box, the device runs on Android 14. The Realme GT Neo 6 SE is currently available in China starting from $234. Whether it will be available on the global market remains unknown.